Hello everybody. For today's video on Excel, we will learn how to use basic date functions. So in date functions, we are going to learn current date, like what is the date today, and also extract day, month and year separately from the date. And I will tell you the shortcut to display date and time. And afterwards we will do a small exercise. So let's begin. Now, this is the Excel spreadsheet, and these are the basic five functions that of date we are going to use today. So, the first we'll start with today. So, as the name suggests, today means the current date. So, to display current date, we will use equals to sign and today. So, this will give me the current date. Similarly, what is the shortcut we have used to we are going to use to display the current date? So for that we will use control plus semicolon, and this will give me the current date. To display the current time, we are going to use current control plus shift plus semicolon. So this is going to display me the current time. So these are the two shortcuts. Now what are the function of day, month and year? So the day, month, year functions is used to extract the day part, the month part and the year part from the date. So let's begin with the current date, for which I'm going to use equals to sign, then type day, open bracket, and so I have to extract day from today's date. So I'm going to type here today. Within the day function, close the bracket, and we will get the current day. Similarly for the month, I'm going to type a month, and today, open close bracket, close. Okay. Forgot to add equals to sign here. Equals. Oh, come on. Okay. Going to type here equals to sign month, open bracket, today, function, and then close. Oh, why is it? Because it has changed the formatting for this. So how I'm going to do it? Let's drag it down. Okay. Now here I'm going to change it to month. So it happens sometimes. It generally change the format of the cell. So we can do either through this, or maybe we can just right click on this and go to format cells, and we can change this general setting to the number or date. So now we are not going to display it in the form of a date, so we are just using the number. Cancel it for now. Now for the year part, again the same function, today, year, within the bracket today, open close bracket. So this will display me the current year. Oh my god, this is displaying me the time. Again, that is the format of the cell has changed. So for this, okay, right click on this, format cells. Okay, this is displaying me the time. So I don't want the time part here, I want the date. So let's pick up this date. And enter. Oh my god. Now watch this. Equals to sign, year, today, open close bracket. Here we got the time. I don't know, sometimes it happens. Okay, you can do this way also. Now this was for the today, the current format. We can use for any other date also, like we say day, and I'll use another date, let's say 12th of February 1980. So see the format that I'm using? Okay, now let's see if it gives me the answer. No. Why? Because we are supposed to write this in double quotes. So I'm going to type here double quotes. So I've got the answer. This is the date part of the date. Now similarly for month, I'm going to use some other format and some other date. Let's say 18. No, we are not going to use DH. Also, we are going to write it within the double quotes. 18 May 2003. So in this format also, we are able to get the month part, which is May. Now for the year, so I've got the date. So this is how we are going to use day, month and year function to extract day, month and year from the date. Now what is the function of dated if? Dated if actually calculates the difference between the two dates. So we are going to use this function for this table. So now in this spreadsheet you can see there is an employer's name and corresponding to that is their date of birth. So we are going to calculate their age and we are going to display here the age in year, month and day separately. So this to dated if is going to calculate the years, the age of a person, and it will display year, month and day separately. Dated if. Now dated if function has three parameters. First two are for the date and third parameter is the value that whether we want to display year, month or day. So we have taken the first date, the second date would be the current date, and the third parameter will be the value uh, that we want to display here. So I'm going to type just Y here within double quotes and close the bracket. So here I get a year. So I can copy this down for the entire row, for the entire column down. Let me first calculate the month. For this, I'm going to type here dated if dated if and then the first date, which should be this one, comma the current date, and the third will be, now here I want a month, so I'm going to write within double quotes, okay, I'm going to write here Y and then month. Y is for year and then for month, so it will give me 11 months. Now for the date similarly, equals to dated first date, comma, second date, and then the value should be month day. So I'm going to get here the day. So we get the age of this person in today's date. This Kiran is 33 years old, 11 months and 5 days old. Okay, so we can copy till the end of the column. Now before that, I want to add a little something into this. So let me add years with this date. So I want to display it here 33 years. For this I'm going to use concatenate operator, which will attach my string to the date part. So concatenate operator basically concatenates or attaches two two strings together or a string with a number. I think my caps lock is on. So years. So here I get 33 years. Now I can copy it down to the last, for the entire column. Similarly for the month and for the day. So that's it function. That's it about the date functions. We have learned about these 5 dates today, date functions today, and hope you find this video useful. So basically, you memorize these functions, and they are very useful And one more operator that we have learned today is the concatenate operator. Now after this, very soon I'm going to upload another video. I hope you like it and you find it useful. And for the next video, I'm going to tell you about the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP and also more useful shortcuts. Thank you guys for watching this. See you in next video.